Hello, tool enthusiasts. Welcome to Trends Tech, your go-to channel for discovering the latest and greatest tools on the market. Today, we're reviewing top gadgets designed to make your work easier and more efficient. With this organizer, all the tools you need will always be at hand when the time is right. It is designed to store and carry accessories in a standard 3.5 to 5-gallon bucket. The waterproof and durable bag is made of high-quality polyester, making it both lightweight and strong enough to hold up to 33 pounds. The organizer has 41 triple row of exterior pockets and 10 interior pockets to organize everything you require, as well as 2 loop straps for hammers, drills, crowbars, and long tools. Features a stylish and practical design. Working with logs is made much easier with the Fiskars Wood Expert tongs. They are designed for lifting and transporting logs and wood, and the tool can also be used for stacking during logging. The metal trigger spreads the sharp grip blades apart, which lock securely into the wood and hold it by the log's own weight. The blades are made of boron-hardened steel and coated with a protective layer against corrosion, which guarantees maximum efficiency and durability of the tool. The tongs have a compact design and ergonomic handle, while the anti-slip knurled pads prevent the hand from slipping, ensuring a secure grip even when wearing gloves. Ideal for both right and left-handed users. The Lunar Lipes hole cutting kit includes drill bits that range from 1 5/8 inches to 8 inches in diameter and are 1 1/8 inches high, perfect for creating recessed lights, speaker holes, or vents. This durable and easy-to-use tool makes overhead drilling an effortless process. The clever design with ABS plastic guard and rubber gasket helps keep the work area clean while drilling. The set is stored in a customized toolbox with handle for easy portability. The tool can be easily mounted on both benchtop and hand drills. It can be used for materials such as wood, aluminum composite panels, plastic, rubber, drywall, plaster, hardboard, fiberglass, chipboard, plywood, and MDF. Let me tell you about an outstanding deburring kit from Broad Basic. The main feature of this set is the ergonomic aluminum handle. Imagine you work for hours and your hand does not get tired. It turns the tedious work of deburring into a real pleasure. There are 20 blades in the set, and not just any blades, but hardened high-speed steel. They are 80% more durable than conventional blades. Spare blades can be stored directly in the handle of the tool. There are 3 types of blades in the set: black for wood, plastic and soft metals, silver for stainless steel and other hard materials, the 3rd type for small holes with a diameter of less than 1.5 mm. The tool works well with steel, plastic, aluminum, copper, PVC pipes, and even epoxy. The blade is free to rotate 360 degrees. You can easily work any edge round, curved or straight. The Bosch cordless eccentric sander combines a compact design with a grip handle and power with an 18-volt brushless motor to remove material like a corded sander. The tool has a vibration dampening element to minimize user fatigue and an intuitive, easy-to-access on-off switch. The 5-inch, 8-hole sanding sole plate provides optimal dust collection when the machine is connected to a vacuum cleaner or dust collector. Its convenient design keeps it close to the workpiece for control in hard-to-reach areas. It also features soft start technology for easy immersion in the workpiece, constant speed for smooth operation under load, and a Velcro fasten support sole plate suitable for many contours. The Alloyman cordless screwdriver set with different bits is the ideal tool for a wide range of projects, from simple home repairs to complex electronics work. The screwdriver has 6 bits that can be quickly and easily swapped between each other using the slide switch. This makes it easy to adapt to different types and sizes of screws. A powerful torque of 4.5 nanometers and an idle speed of 200 revolutions per minute make it incredibly useful, as it is capable of turning around 400 screws when fully charged. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the built-in LED light improves visibility of the work area. A standout feature of the tool is its rechargeable lithium battery, and its durability ensures smooth operation even in the most demanding projects. Save time on the job with the professional Malco 2-position metal roof bender. This tool is capable of forming bends from 0 degrees to 100 degrees on straight panels of any length. It is designed for bends ranging from 3/16 of an inch to 5 7/8 inches deep on roof panel gable ends, aprons, and custom roofing details. The adjustable roller spacing ranges from 0.02 inches to 0.04 inches, allowing you to work with a wide variety of materials. Material capacity includes 24-gauge steel, 26-gauge stainless steel, 0.040 inches, 20-ounce copper, and 1 mm zinc. The optional 2 mm large radius accessory allows for smoother bends in zinc and aluminum, and the angle roller ensures that the material is not scratched when making 90-degree bends. The machine components are made of durable aluminum and stainless steel, making it quick to install, lightweight, and portable. The Wuko Uni Bender is an indispensable tool for craftsmen and professionals working with sheet metal. With its help, you can easily and accurately bend metal at angles of up to 90 degrees. The tool allows you to bend metal from 3/8 of an inch to 8 inches thick. There is an adjustable bending depth for perfect results. The machine is made from high-quality materials to ensure a long life. Thanks to its compact size and lightweight design, the tool is easy to transport and store, making it convenient for use in various environments, both in the workplace and in the workshop. Metabo is a professional cordless multi-tool that will help you with a wide range of cutting, grinding, scraping, and sawing tasks on a variety of materials. Its high performance, user-friendliness, and versatility make it an indispensable tool in the workshop and on the construction site. Metabo features the Metabo Quick System, which allows you to quickly and conveniently change accessories without the need for additional tools. This saves time and simplifies the work process. The maximum number of revolutions is 180,000,000 revolutions per minute. The battery voltage is 18 volts. The tool itself weighs only 1.8 kilograms. The set includes a 32 mm wood saw blade, as well as 5 sheets of different grits each.
The Flex X FE cordless polisher is a high-performance tool for professional polishing and buffing of car bodies and other surfaces. Thanks to its powerful battery and ergonomic design, it ensures comfortable and efficient work. The speed ranges from 2,300 to 3,800 revolutions per minute. The polisher is powered by an 18V battery, allowing freedom of movement and eliminating the need to use an extension cord or find an outlet. Equipped with a powerful motor that delivers excellent polishing results. Quick Change accessory system allows you to quickly change polishing wheels and other accessories. Bright backlight provides exceptional visibility of the work surface. Includes 2 batteries and a 150 mm polishing wheel.
That's a wrap on today's tool showcase. Subscribe for more reviews like this video, and let us know your favorite tool in the comments below.